Hello students, as in the last lecture we had covered the sums from the first exercise. As the sums, it was based on how to find the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral, as well as we saw two more important sum, how to find the angles of the triangle when the angles of the triangles are in AP. And even we saw one more sum when the angles of the quadrilaterals are in AP. I hope you all understood all the sums which we had did in the last lecture. And we saw very one more important concept, how to find the exterior and interior angle of any regular polygon. So till now almost we had completed all the covered all the sums from the first exercise, as we left with only one concept, which is how to find the angle between the hour hand and minute hand. So as I told that we will be doing in this lecture, so today actually we're gonna do some additional sums which is not there in your textbook, but in case in exam it comes, so how you will tackle the sums. So in the next coming lecture, in the next lecture we'll take the last concept of your first exercise, that is how to find the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. But in this lecture we're gonna do some additional sums which is not there in the exercise, but which is very important. You must know, if you come across the sum like this, how to convert your answer. Okay, so as in this lecture we're gonna do 2 3 additional sums. Okay, so let's begin. As in this sum it is mentioned that, and this types of the sum actually it is not there in the textbook. Okay, so convert the following angles in radian, but here can you see this angle which is given, it is in degree, minute and second. It is mentioned in what? It is mentioned in degree. It is mentioned in what? Degree, minute and second. So we know that for degree we write 0 raised to 0, for minute 1 dash, and for second we use double dash. And we all know the conversion between degree to minute and minute to second. What was the conversion? To convert degree to minute, simply multiply by 60, so it will get converted into minute. If you want to convert minute to second, again multiply by 60, so it will get converted into second. And when you are coming back, second to minute, divide by 60, so it will get converted into minute. Minute to degree, again divide by 60, so it will get converted into degree. So this all thing actually I had explained in the first video lecture only, yes or no? So where we saw how to convert degree into radian, radian into degree, as well as the conversion between degree, minute and second. So this will play an important role, this section, how to convert degree to minute, minute to second, and then when you are coming back, second to minute and minute to second. Okay, so now once again we'll see. So we know that to convert degree to minute, simply we have to multiply by 60. So here we'll see 1 degree is what? 60 minute. So 1 minute will be equals to 60 second. And even this thing also I had explained, if you want to convert degree directly to second, so you have to multiply that particular number by 3600, so it will get converted into second directly. Yes or no? So now the reverse conversion will be what? 1 minute will be equals to what? The 60 will come down, so 1 minute will be equals to 1 by 60 degree. That means if you want to convert minute to degree, so see to that you have to divide that number by 60, so it will get converted into degree. So that's why I had shown this section by arrow. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So 1 minute will be equal to what? 1 upon 60 degree. Okay, here we are multiplying, here we are dividing. Yes or no? The next, 1 minute is equals to 60 second. So 1 second will be equal to 1 upon 60 minute. If you want to convert second to minute, divide. In simple language, remember this process. If you goes in this direction, degree to minute, minute to second, you will multiply. If you're coming back second to minute, minute to degree, you will divide. Okay. So if you want to convert 1 degree directly to second, so 3600. So if you want to convert second directly to degree, so divide by 3600. I hope this all things actually I had explained in the first video lecture only. Yes or no? So let's focus and target the sum now. As in this question it is mentioned that we have to convert the angles in radian. So as when you will solve this sum, you will get the answer in terms of degree. See to it that you will get the all the answer in terms of degree. Yes or no? You will convert this part into degree, you will convert this part into degree, even already it is in degree. So as when you will goes on solving the sum, you will get the final answer, it is in degree. After getting the answer in degree, you will convert that degree into radian, and we know that how to convert degree into radian by using this conversion. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180, and 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi. So let's focus on the first sum. So here we have 30 degree, 48 minute and 45 second. Okay, as we know that this step we can write as what, 30 degree plus 48 minute plus 45 second, and this we can read as 30 degree, 48 minute and 45 second. And I hope you all might be knowing this part. Okay. Okay, so now as we have to convert the angles in radian, so first this part, the whole section, it will get converted into degree. So already this first number, this first term, already it is in degree, so we'll keep this number as it is. We'll convert this minute and the second into degree. So we know that how to convert minute into degree. So convert minute into degree, simply you have to divide that number by 60. So it will get converted into degree. Yes or no? So 48 upon 60. So that minute will get converted into degree. Here also same. We have to convert this second into degree directly. So we know that if you want to convert the second directly to degree, so simply you have to divide it by 3600. So here just now only I had explained the conversion. Yes or no? How degree will get converted into minute and how it will come back. Okay. So if you want to convert this second directly to degree, so you will divide it by 3600. So it will get converted into degree. So in the reason you can write here what, 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree, and 1 second directly to minute, it is what, 1000, 1 upon 1000, 1 upon 3600. Yes sir. Okay, so after that, after this what we have to do, we'll write this 30 degree as it is. Further, if you feel that we can cancel this number, we can reduce the number, yes of course you can. So here 12 fours are, yes or no, 12 fives are, 12 fours are, it is 48, 12 fives are 60. So here we got 4 upon 5. So you can reduce the number also. Yes or no? Here 45 and this 3600. So this part also we can reduce. So both the numbers, I guess it will go in 9. 9, yeah, we can, yes. 9 fives are 45. 9 fours are 36. So 400 will come. Again we can reduce this number further. 5 ones are 580s. So here we left with what, 1 by 80. I hope you all might be knowing this basic algebraical rule: cross multiplication, cancellation, division. Yes or no? So here we got this. I wrote this 30 degree as it is. We converted this 48 minute into degree by using this conversion, and we converted this second directly to degree by using this conversion. After this we reduce this number, so here we got 4 upon 5, and here we got 1 by 80. After this clearly we can see that all the numbers as it is in degree, so we'll write the degree one time. So inside the bracket we can write as 30 plus 4 upon 5 plus 1 upon 80. Now after this, what exactly we have to do? There are two different methods. Here nothing is there, so we can write one. First, do the cross multiplication between this two term. Whatever the answer you will get, after that you will cross multiply with this third section. So that is the method number one. Method number two is what? Try to make the denominator same. Try to make the denominator same. Okay. So if you want to make the denominator same, so here the LCM for 1, 5 and 80 will be what? 80 only. Yes or no? So here, yes or no? So if you want to make the denominator 80, so 1, 5, 80 LCM will be what? 80 only. So here we'll multiply this numerator and denominator by 80. Here we multiply by 16 upon 5 into 16, so it will get into 80, because 5 16s are, it is 80, and here already we have it is 80 only. So there are two different methods. The first method, cross multiply all these three sections, you will get the answer, or else try to make the denominator same by using LCM factor. So here 1 5 80 will be what? 80. So here this method, I guess it will be very easy to make the denominator same. So here 80 is there, so simply for the second part is simply you multiply numerator and denominator by 16, so it will get converted into 80 in the denominator. Here we have 1, so simply multiply it by 80 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. After this, here you will get 2400 upon 80. Here you will get 64 upon 80. Here we have 1 upon 80. As clearly we can see that here we got the denominator same, so we'll write one time. So here we have 2400 plus 64 plus 1. So in the final step you will get what? 2400 plus 64 plus 1. So here you will get 2 4 6 5 upon 80. Okay, after this further, if you want, you can cancel this number, as I guess in the unit place here we have 5, so we can cancel it by 5. So 5 16s are 5 4 9 and 3. So here you will get what? 493 upon 16. So here we got the answer as in degree. After this, I guess we cannot reduce the number. Here we have 3 and here we have 6. So we cannot cancel the number further, as here we have the combination of odd and even 3 and 6. So I guess further we cannot cancel this number. So here we got the answer in degree 493 upon 16. If you feel, if you can able to cancel the number further, you can, but I guess we cannot cancel the number further. So 493 upon 16, we got the answer, it is in degree. Now we'll convert this degree into radian. So we know that how to convert the degree into radian. 493 upon 16 into, simply multiply it by pi by 180, so it will get converted into radian. Okay, so this 493, it will be pi, and 16 into 181, you will multiply 180 into 16, so 16 8 4 8 16 8, so you will get what? 2880, and it will be in radian. Again same, Here we got the number which is very bigger. So if you want, you can reduce the number, as here we have in the unit plus 3 and here we have 0. So I guess we cannot cancel the number further because here the combination is different, 3 and 0, odd and even. So I guess we cannot uh, reduce the number further. So here we got the final answer. So in this way you will convert your answer. If it is in degree, minute and second, just simply you have to convert this minute and second into degree by using this simple conversion. And in the final step you will get the answer in degree, and after that you have to convert this degree into radian. So in this way you have to present your sum, as this sum actually is not there in the test book, but in the exam I will ask this question. And okay, for 2 or 3 marks, as I know this is a not there in the exercise, this is an additional question, but if in case if it comes in the question, so you must know how to tackle the sums whenever the question it is in degree, minute and second, and how to convert degree, minute and second whole thing into degree. And I know you all know the conversion to degree, minute and second, but you don't know how to convert degree, minute and second into degree. So the reverse process, there is one sum in the exercise that we have to convert this degree into degree, minute and second. So this sum actually it is a reverse process. Here we have degree, minute and second. We have to convert this degree, minute and second into degree. After that we have to convert this degree into radian. So that was the, in simple language I can say this is the reverse process. Yes or no? Okay, so in this way you can find your answer. So let's take one more sum, as here we have one more sum. Okay, so here the next sum is what? 50 degree, 30 minute and 20 second. Same step, same method you have to follow. So the first step will be what? You will write plus in between this three term. Yes or no? As the first one already it is in degree, we'll write the number as it is. To convert this minute into degree, so simply what you will do, you will multiply this number by 60, so it will get converted into degree as we did in the previous sum. Yes or no? By using this conversion, 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree, and 1 second directly if you want to convert into degree, so simply divide it by 1000, 1 upon 3600. So here we have to convert this minute into, sorry, second into degree directly. So simply you have to divide the number, that particular number, by 3600, so it will get converted into degree. After this, if you want, you can reduce this number. So 300 will get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so here we left with 1 upon 2 degree. So here 0 will get cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 180 is are, so 1 upon 180. As all the terms it is in degree, so we can write the degree one time. So inside the bracket we left with 50, 1 by 2, 1 upon 180. As per the rule, we know that here we have two different method. You can cross it and you can find your answer, or else make the denominator same as we did in the previous sum. So we'll stick with the previous method only. We'll try to make the denominator same. So here we'll multiply it by 180, because LCM for this will be what? 1 to 150. The factor, common factor will be 180. Yes or no? So we'll multiply and divide it by 180. Here by 90. Yes or no? Here already we have 180. So here we'll get 50 into 180, 9000 upon 180, 90 upon 180, 1 upon 180. So your denominator is same, so we can write the denominator only one time. So in the numerator we have 9000 plus 90 plus 1. So therefore, so 9000 plus 90 plus 1, here you will get 9091 upon 180. So if you want, you can reduce this number, but I feel we cannot reduce the number as here we have 1 and 0. The combination is different, odd and even. So we cannot cancel it by any number. So this will be the final answer in degree. Yes or no? So further, we have to convert this degree into radian. So simply you will multiply it by 1 pi by 180. So it will get convert into the radian. Yes or no? So in the next step, this will be 9091 pi 180 into 180. 18 18s are, we know that it is 324. 18 square, like 18 into 18, it is 324. Here we have 20. So when you will multiply 180 into 180, you will get 32400. You have to be quick while multiplication, division, cross multiply. Yes or no? So you must know the table for cancellation. You must know the square, the multiplication tricks. Yes or no? The small things. Okay. So like here 18 18 it is 324. Here we have 20. So the answer will be what? 3240. Again, here we have 1 and 0. The combination is different, odd and even. I guess we cannot reduce the number further. So this is the final answer for this sum. So I hope you all understood this two additional sum as how to convert the degree, minute and second into degree as well as in radian. Okay. So now we'll take one more additional sum which is slightly different, as the sum actually is not there in the exercise. So here the sum is what? If the sum of the measure of two angle is 3 radian and their difference is 60 degree, and then you have to find the measure in radian. Now you will say that, sir, this type of sum actually is there in the exercise, but the difference is what? In the exercise it is mentioned the sum of two angle is 5 pi radian. Here we have the angle without pi. Okay, so now here what is the difference? See to that, whenever we have one answer in radian and degree, what we used to do, we used to convert, okay, we used to convert the degree into, sorry, radian into degree. As I told, we are comfortable in solving the sum with respect to degree. Yes or no? And see to that, whenever the radian it is in pi, it is easy to convert the radian into degree, because when you will multiply it by 180 upon pi, this pi will get cancelled, and whatever the answer you will get, it will be in number. And here in this question it is mentioned that the angle actually it is without pi. So when you will multiply it by 180 upon pi, this pi will be there in the denominator. Okay, so what exactly we have to do? So that's why I told the sum actually it is not there in the exercise, and it is additional sum and it is a different sum. And what is the different here? We'll see. Is the sum of the measure of two angle. Here also it is same. The same sum actually, as I told, it is there in the exercise, but here difference is what? The angle which is given in the radian, it is without pi. Whenever it is without pi, see to that here for this sum will convert degree into radian, and then we'll solve our sum. So if what we convert this radian into degree, so what will happen? So the sum will become complex and you will end up with getting your wrong answer. Okay, so this was the difference. Whenever the angle it is given in radian with respect to pi, so convert this radian into degree. Whenever it is without pi, see to that you convert this degree into radian. Understood? So here we'll write the first step as let the radian, as we have to find the answer, it is in radian. Yes or no? So here we have to find the answer, it was in degree. So we wrote let the degree measure of the angle be x and y. So here we'll write, as we have to find the answer, it is in radian. So we'll try to convert both the section in radian. Yes or no? As already this part it is in radian, so we'll convert this into radian only. Got the point? If it says that we have to convert in degree, okay, whenever you have to convert the measures in degree, see to it that the angle it will be there with respect to pi. As it is not with respect to pi, see to that it is very easy to convert degree into radian and then to solve the sum. If you convert this radian into degree, what will happen? The sum will become complex. Yes or no? Because here when you will convert, it will be like this. Yes or no? 180 upon pi. So what you will do about this pi? You will substitute the value 3.14. Again it will become complex, as you will get this answer in decimal. So indirectly or directly you will end up with getting with the wrong answer. Okay, so in simple language, whenever it is without pi, try to convert this degree into radian. That's it. Okay, so this is the different, a small difference in this sum. And this is the additional sum also, I can say, as this type of sum actually it is not there in the exercise. So we'll start with let the radian measure of angle be x and y. Again I am saying that convert this degree into radian. If you do this conversion radian into degree, sum will become complex and you will end up with getting the wrong answer. Okay, so according to the first condition, according to the first condition, it says that sum, that means x plus y equal to 3, which is in radian. And the difference means what? X minus y is 60. But as I told, we'll convert this degree into radian. Okay, so this will be what? Pi by 180 radian. So this will be pi by 3. So here we got the second equation and this is the first equation. So according to the first condition, here we got x plus y equal to 3c, and according to the second condition, it says that the difference is 60. So here we got the difference is 60 degree, but we converted this degree into radian. As here we have two equation, we'll solve this two equation. As here the two equation, it is in the form of linear. So as we know that whenever we have two different linear equation with two different variable, we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So now we'll add the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So x plus y equals to 3 and x minus y equals to pi by 3. Okay, so we'll add, so your plus will come minus plus, so this will get cancelled. So 2x, x plus x, 2x, and this will be what? 3 plus pi by 3. Yes or no? As here both the section it is in radian. Okay, so we can write one time. So 3 plus pi by 3, so therefore 2x equals to, cross it, so you will get 9 plus pi by 3. So therefore x equals to, this 2 will come down, so this will be what? 9 plus pi by 3 to the 6. So we got the answer of x. As we have to find the final answer, it is in radian. So here we got the answer, it is in radian only. Yes or no? In this question, as we did this sum, In this question we have to find the answer, it was in degree. So that's why we converted this radian into degree and we kept the final answer in degree itself. Yes or no? Here we have to find the answer in terms of radian. So here we got the answer of x, which the section it is different, the format of the answer it is different, but it is correct. Okay, it will be in degree, as we cannot cancel this number further. Yeah, because connection is plus, we cannot cancel this 9 and 6. Okay, I hope you all might be knowing this basic things, basic rules of algebraical. Okay, so now after this we know that how to find the second answer. Simply substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. So we'll substitute in equation number 1. So what is the equation number 1? X plus y equal to 3 radian. Yes or no? Okay, so you have the value of x is what? 9 plus pi by 6 plus y equal to 3 radian. So we'll shift this part to the right hand side. So minus 9 plus pi by 6 radian. Yes or no? So therefore y equal to, here we can cross this number. So this will be what? 6 threes are 18. Yes or no? Okay, if you want, as we know that already we had mentioned in the first step only, let the radian measure of angle be x and y. If you want, you don't write this c, just goes on solving the sum, and in the final step just simply mention that the answer of x, it is in radian. Okay, if you want to write c and goes on solving the sum, it's okay. In exam, if you forget to write this c also, if you don't write c and in the final step if you are showing the answer it is in radian, it's okay. Here also don't write c, just in the final answer show the answer it is in radian. Okay, so 6 3 is 18 upon 6 1 it will be 6. So here we have two term inside the bracket, so when you will bracket open, so this will be 9 minus plus minus. Understood? Got the point? Or else, as both the section it is in radian, so you can write one time. So 3 minus, so when you will bracket open, so this will be 9 minus pi. Okay, when you will cross this will be 18. Yes or no? Upon 6. As both this section it is in radian, so we can write this part as one time. As here we have the minus, so when you will cross multiply, see to that this will bracket open with this minus, so here this will be minus 9 and minus pi. Understood? Further this we can write as 18 minus 9 will be what? 9 minus pi upon 6, as we cannot cancel this number, so here we left with 9 minus pi upon 6. I hope you all understood this step. As both the section it is in radian, so we can write this part as one time. Just simply cross multiply, 6 3 it is 18. As here we have two terms inside the bracket, so when you will bracket open and cross multiply, so this will, yes, the symbol will change, so minus 9 and minus plus will be what? Minus, and the 6 3 is 18. As both the section it is in radian, so we wrote that part one time. So that's why I told, to avoid this confusion, don't write this c, just in the final step you can mention that the value of x which we got it is in radian, if you want to avoid this confusion. Understood? It's okay if you write the final answer it is in radian, don't mention this c while solving this part. Okay, so this is the final answer. We can say here we got the value of x as 9 plus pi upon 6 radian, and the value of y as 9 minus pi upon 6 radian. So this was the additional sum. As I told, this sum actually it is not there in the exercise. Okay, the pattern, the same pattern of the question it is there, but it was 5 pi radian, and here the sum it is without pi. And as just now only I had explained, whenever it is without pi, how to present your sum in the exam. I hope you all understood both the sum both the additional sum, how to convert this degree, minute and second into degree and radian, and how to convert the given sum equation into radian. And see the difference. The exercise question is what? In the exercise it was 5 pi, and here it is without pi. So whenever it is without pi, see to that, convert this degree into radian, and whenever it is with pi, so convert the radian into degree. So I guess you all understood both the additional sum. Okay, so in the next lecture we're gonna do the last concept of your exercise, which is known as how to find the angle between hour and the minute hand. Okay, so till then, goodbye, see you in next lecture.